Good afternoon, Jessica. Please tell me about yourself and your work experience.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Jessica Roquero, 43 years old, married. My husband is a farmer. I have two kids, aged 11 and 16. As my work experience is in Singapore for 6 years with Indian family with two kids, aged 9 and 11. My duties as a domestic helper is taking care of kids, ironing clothes, washing clothes, and cleaning the house.
Who will take care of your children if you work abroad?
My husband, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you prepared to follow employer's guideline on discipline and creative development?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you be honest and faithful to your employers?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you admit to your mistakes and say sorry if you have done wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you wake up 6 a.m. and sleep very late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short if your employer will require?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to bring friends to your employer's house without their permission?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, ma'am.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs or cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Please sing it.
Fly, 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 the butterfly. In the garden, it flies so high. In the meadow, it flies so low. Fly, 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 the butterfly.
Thank you. Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
Please say something to your future employer.
Hi, ma'am. If you choose me as your helper, I will promise that I will finish my contract and extend if needed. I am a polite person. I will treat your family as my own family. I am a hardworking, honest, and obedient person. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Jessica. That's all.